Polk Audio has announced a voice-controlled soundbar with built-in Alexa. Polk visualizes the command bar to be at the heart of the smart home theater that provides rich audio for movies and music. The parent company of Polk Audio is DEI Holdings. Its sound division is known as Sound United, which also owns the Definitive Technology and Marantz audio brands. Polk has previously introduced soundbars that work with Google Home and support 5.1 surround sound. This new command bar features far-field mix built into the top that can control volume, mute, bass, sound modes and source selection with voice commands via Polk's Connect skill. There is an HDMI port that is designed to fit Amazon Fire TV and other HDMI transmission devices with wide form factors. The rear panel also has a built-in USB port, which can also power Fire TV devices. With Alexa, command bar can also control lights, locks and other smart appliances for the home, as well as services compatible with Amazon Alexa such as Amazon Music and Audible. Polk says that support for more music services will be announced later in the year.